Hi guys, this is Eunice, and today is Saturday, but I just could not wait to get this video out. First of all, I want to introduce you to my new wig, of course. This is Crystal, and I have not worn short hair like this since I was a lot younger, but I decided to go ahead and give it a try. So I did not want to cut my natural hair that comes here now, and I did not want to change the colors. So hey, you know what? That's why we got wigs. Right on. Okay, so now the reason of this video is I want to share a couple of my new books that's coming out that's going to be beneficial to you, something that may help you in your everyday life, and especially for the Thanksgiving holiday season that's coming up and the Christmas season that's coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and start with those two books first because it is in a collection. Here is the collection and so forth, and I browsed through this and I absolutely love the wine, the recipes, the home decor of these books here. And the first one I'm going to share with you is going to be the Thanksgiving book. These are holiday entertainment books, and don't make me say it, guys, don't make me say it. We have had a rough couple years for the holiday season, not being able to be with our families, not being able to do what we want to do. But this year we're busting loose. We're traveling already. We're doing a whole lot of other things already. So hey, these holiday, Thanksgiving and Christmas is going to be extremely great. Okay, so here on the cover you can actually see the table settings, or part of the table settings and things like that. And through this book here, it has a lot of beautiful recipes, table settings, wines to choose from, foods, recipes, and stuff to bake and so forth, and things like that. So even if you do stick with your regular dinner and so forth, turkeys and whatever and so forth, you can probably just glam it up, make it even more special this year, since this is the year that we're going to be busting loose for the holidays. I call it busting loose because we're able to gather this year. We're able to get together this year for the holidays and things like that. And this is a perfect book here to help you to get that special comeback. The holidays are going to be the greatest comeback, and these books here will help you with that, helping you to set that stage for that great holiday comeback. Okay, this is the Christmas holiday entertainment book here, and these really look great. This is something that I'm going to try myself. Usually I have for the holiday is my herbal wine bliss, which is a red drink. You can add alcohol to it and then you can drink it, because herbal wine bliss is also for the whole family, so even the kids can drink from these particular champagne glasses and things like that. So it's not going to hurt them. Actually, it's going to help them. So here we're going to go through again. Check this out. Harley barking at people. Okay, we're going to check this out. And here we're going to have, again, the dinette settings, Christmas recipes, wines, and things like that for you to make this particular holiday even better than the other holidays and so forth that you are accustomed to. It's just a little something extra, a little something special. Okay, so also too, this is my second introduction. This is the Popular Mechanics Do It Yourself Encyclopedia. And within mechanics, you think about cars. No, this is not for cars. This is for home improvement, doing it yourself. It's teaching you how to save money, how to make repairs and so forth yourself and everything. showed you how to put things together and all that. You know, it just gives you a whole lot of information, you know, for your home and so forth, and how to put things together. So this is not, again, for cars. So, and this is volume 1. I only have, well, this is volume 2. I have volume 2 and volume 1 and everything. And so this is the first volume here and everything. Again, like I said, it teaches you about how to take care of your home so that you don't have to call someone every time you need a sink unclogged, every time you need something nailed down and things like that. It just gives you a whole lot of information on how to help yourself. And if you are very handy, it also teaches you how to build things as well. So if you have a husband or a boyfriend at home, whatever, and so far, and they're very handy with, you know, the tools that most men use, then you'll be able to get things built from scratch and things like that. So this is a very, very popular book. I think altogether there is maybe about 8 volumes and so far, and everything, but I only have the first 2 volumes so far. Hopefully I will get the other volumes as well, and you know, do a whole collection. But right now these are the ones that's going to be on my website to sell, to help you at home, to repair and to fix things, to build things for your home, to save you again some money, to help you from having to call the plumbers, the contractors, and you know, things like that, if you are handy. And also these are again great books here. This collection here is to help you during the holiday season, to help take care of those drinks, wines, beverages, to put with your new recipes or old recipes and so forth, and to help you get your home set up, you know, home decor for the guests that you're going to have in. Because like I said, this is going to be the best year. This is going to be the great holiday comeback, because we did not have a good holiday in 2020 and 2021, because we weren't able to travel, we weren't able to get together like we can do this year. So we're going to make the best of it, and we're going to do something extra special this year. All right, guys, thanks. See you later. Bye.